So this is what is the brand of it? It's lavanda. Here. Alright. So it's still on its packaging. So let's now get this package or the plastic. Let's get rid of it. Okay. Wow. So this is the real box. Can you see? Okay, let's open it. Ta-da! Yeah. Here. I'm just opening it now. Alright. Ta-da! Wow, cute! Let's now remove from the case. Plastic case. Maybe this is the charger. The compartment. Okay. Cute, oh. See that? Alright, then. Wow, I really love the packaging case. What's this one? What inside of it? Let's see. Let's see this. Oops. Maybe the charger or the connector. See, it's not that easy to get. Okay, here it looks like a perfume box. Here it is. So the package is separate from the package of the connector is separate from the earphone compartment. So here it is. Yes, so I am right. Oh wow, there's a manual here. Oh, nothing written here. Okay, so there you go. Here. Okay, this is the manual. And let's see the others inside. Okay. Here, the earbuds cover. Then, okay, yeah, I'm right. The connector of for the charge. For the charger. Okay, I'll return it to the box. So next, what we will do is to try or test it if it's working. So is it? See if it is charged. As you can see, it's still protected by its cover. So let's check now if it's functionable or there's a factory defect. Paano nga kaya to? How we will going to start? So maybe, of course, let's connect to the connector. Oh, there's a seal though. For the microphone, I don't know if it's the microphone part. So I'll just check it in the manual later. I will just oh, so there you go, it's blinking, so it means it was partially charged. For Bluetooth configuration, so here, see the cover. Let's remove it. Okay, here, that, the other one, and the other one. Alright, so here, so it's now removed. So there's no cover for connection. Let me now connect to my phone. If the sound's good, or how it will, how the sounds work or if it's working. Guys, I remove already the cover inside the earphone so that it will be charged. It's now charging. And let's check the here. So it's now charging. You can see? See? Okay, let's wait until it will be fully charged. Then I will try if it's working. So by the way, since there's a manual, you can check the guidelines. So if you will buy for this brand, I can recommend this. The package is complete and the manual is readable, so unlike the other manual. So anyway, there's also the positioning or side indicated, where's the left and right. So there. So I'm now connecting to my Bluetooth. So let me put the right here and the left here. It's now connected. When your Bluetooth connected, it's indicated, the name indicated here is TWS-C. Nice. The music or the sound is clear. There's no cracked. So there's no also factory defect or any noise. The sound's great. Okay, I removed the connection and now it's blinking, so meaning there's no connection at all. And you'll just wait for the blinking stop, so it will automatically power off. Okay? Please click the subscribe button to help this channel grow. So there you go guys, until next year.